Hello to my dear subscribers. This particular video was shot on March 8th, 2020, just a couple of weeks before the lockdown began in India. So enjoy this particular vlog. I'm posting it a bit late, but nevertheless enjoy. Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. So after a long time I have decided to do another unboxing today. Basically I bought many products this time. I kind of did not unbox much, but today I thought let me do some unboxing for you. So this is the product that I purchased. I hope this is visible to you.
It's not a makeup product, you don't need to do that.
Alright, so this is called the D-Link DAP 1325 N300 Wi-Fi range extender.
Wi-Fi.
Basically it extends your Wi-Fi and eliminates the dead zones. So basically my Wi-Fi router is somewhere here in this particular room. Let me just show you in my vlog style, typical vlog style. Check this out. So this is where my Wi-Fi router is there. It is basically the D-Link DAR 825. And then I also have an Airtel V fiber modem as well, but I don't use that much because it is around 40 Mbps. The main one is this DAR 825, the one which is which gives me around 125 Mbps of speed. That is my primary Wi-Fi Wi-Fi provider, I mean, which is from Act FiberNet. So in this particular room where my desk is, so this is my desk, this is how it looks. I gave it a lot of makeover. I wanted to do a setup tour sort of, but I haven't been able to do so. So there are a lot of things that I purchased. Meanwhile, as you can see, this is the mic stand, typically the one which I use for recording my or giving the voiceovers in my videos. And this is the iPad Pro 11-inch that I bought sometime in January. So this is absolutely beautiful. I mean, I really enjoy working on this and reading on this. So this is worth the price, I would say. And look at all the stickers that I have on this. So it looks kind of cool, you know, isn't it? So this is my MacBook Pro as well. So as you can see, again I have put in a lot of nice cool stickers, and this is how it looks. Check this out. Yes. So then basically today I went ahead and after 3 months of using this MacBook Pro, I went and bought this particular Apple Pencil as well. As you can see, that's the Apple Pencil that I got.
Packaging.
Check this out. This is how it looks. And
Cinematic chocolate.
I'm gonna unbox all these things in today's session. So let's get started.
Unbox 2 things, people.
Yeah. And that's Neha over here. Alright, so let's start the unboxing. This is the D-Link DAP 1325 N300 range extender. So let's cut this out. Alright, there is some opening here. Let's try and remove this. Okay, it's coming out easily. Good one.
So plastic obviously come out easily.
Yeah. There you go. That's the router D-Link DAP 1325. Let me keep this aside. Don't move it. Move the camera. There you can see removing it. Alright. No. This is just coming out. There's a box within a box. Alright, so here is the device. This is how it looks, guys. The D-Link.
Like a robot.
Yeah, this looks pretty much like a robot. Take a look. There is a WPS button here. There's a reset button over here. Don't move it. And when you plug this in, basically it turns on, and then you can pair it with your existing Wi-Fi. And this is the connector. So without the wire, you can just put it in your power socket. There is also a wired LAN connector to it. So if you want, you can attach this. So it complies with IMDA standards, as it says, DAP 1325, 100 to 240 volts input and 50 to 60 hertz AC current, basically AC electricity power. There's also safety mark, some standards it follows. So this is for a D-Link product. There you go, guys. So let me connect it and then give you a short demo. Alright, that's the unboxing of the D-Link DAP 1325.
Okay guys, so now I'm gonna be unboxing the Apple Pencil. It's so satisfying.
Plastic is coming out.
To peel it off, really satisfying. Oh, look at that! It looks so pretty. Okay. This damn thing just won't open all the time. So guys, there's basically a thing that you open the Apple Pencil with that I didn't know about.
Just need to pull that.
Just need to pull it and
There
then
you go. It says
designed by Apple in California.
Don't move it.
Got a cinematic
Get
shot.
focused.
Oh my goodness.
Alright, now remove it.
Okay.
There you go.
Wow. Look at it.
That's the Apple Pencil. Beautiful. Take it out.
Wow. It has a covering. It looks like a color pencil. Oh.
Nice.
It looks so good. It's matte.
So the pencil looks, guys.
I know it.
Don't shake it, madam.
It's like a color pencil.
It's getting out of focus. Don't move it so close.
Okay.
Please.
Okay, sure. I hold it.
See,
Cinematic shot. Got a
So
cinematic
the-
shot.
pencil looks like. So let's do the pairing now. This
Look at this. It looks so good. This looks good.
is the logo.
Everyone
No, it's
knows
not
the
focusing.
Apple logo. So,
There you go, guys. This is the Apple Pencil.
yeah.
There you can see. Enjoy these cinematic shots.
Cinematic shot. Got a cinematic shot.
Here.
There.